earn more than £30,000 in your first HR administrator role with our job guarantee backing you every step of the way. Our HR administrator program doesn't just promise career change, it delivers results. With 96% of students securing life-changing roles within 3 months, you'll have tutors, mentors and recruitment specialists supporting your journey to a 28k plus salary. This isn't just about landing any job. It's about becoming the backbone of HR departments across every industry. Starting with CIPD-endorsed qualifications and practical experience, you'll be equipped for roles that pay between £28,000 and £38,000, with clear progression paths to HR officer and HR manager positions. What do HR administrators do? HR administrators are the backbone of any HR department. They manage employee records, support recruitment and onboarding, coordinate training, and ensure the implementation of HR policies. These roles are in demand across all industries, from retail and hospitality to tech, healthcare and finance. Starting salaries range from 28k to 38k, with clear pathways to advance into roles like HR officer or HR manager. Picture yourself thriving in your first HR role, organised, confident and career ready. Our HR administrator program gives you the tools and support to succeed. Ready for that job guarantee? We're ready to make it happen. Want to turn your organisation skills into a people-focused career? We'll help you get there. Looking for long-term stability and growth? This is where it starts. Turn your ambition into reality with iToll Recruit's HR Administrator Job Programme. Since 2011, we've helped thousands of students launch their careers through strong industry connections and expert support. You'll be guided by top tutors, experienced mentors, and a dedicated recruitment team. Seats are limited. Secure your place today. Our advisors are ready to help you enroll and answer your questions.